Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you this product. I'm gonna test and review on this product. This is Eden sprinkler, water sprinkler. The model number is 94143. This is from Eden. I got it from Amazon and the price was like around $16 when I purchased it. It was on sale, so I just got it that time. So in this video what I'm gonna do is I'm going to unbox this one, then I'll install and do the testing, all different patterns I'll try to show you, so that you will get some idea whether you need it or not, or is it useful, will be useful for you or not. So before we do that, let's see what comes inside the box. Let's take out everything. So this is the manual, and these are the three different types of nozzles they gave. This is the stand where you're going to install, and this is the main sprinkler. So what you have to do is you have to just simply connect it here, and this is for your garden. So this is the main sprinkler, and you can use it as in series also, friends. So this is the main sprinkler from Eden that I got from Amazon for around $16. Right now you can get the link of this product in the description box. If you don't want to search, you can just check the description box, you will get the link. So before I go for the installation and you test it, let me show you the features of this product, friends. It has 5 different types of water flowing, water spraying. One is flat, and if you turn it, spin the wheel, fan, mist, large, and multi has all different threads, you can see that. And you can choose the angle of this spraying. So based on this angle you can limit the coverage, how far it should go, you can limit that. And so you can see all different types of angles. I'll show you all those, and these are the controlling for the coverage. You can choose the coverage, how far it can rotate. So you can maximum 360 you can do, or you can limit based on your need, you can do that. So these are the all functionalities, plus you can use it in series, so you can see the series option also. So based on your need you can utilize it. So these are the functionality of this product, friend. Let's install it and connect it to the water and then do the test and see. So I am connecting it, and you can see they put a metal brush here, metal filter here, sorry, so that you can easily no dust or anything can go through it, so which is good. And hopefully this is perfectly fine. So this is fine, tight enough, this is tight enough. So this is tight enough, should be leak proof, it should be, it's good. Let's put it on the ground. So friends, I installed it here. If you look at here, this is my backyard. It's almost 40 feet in each side, and I tried to put it in the middle, almost in the middle. Not 100%, maybe little different, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna turn on the water. Let me do that. So I'm going to turn on the water, and right now it is in multi mode, and you can see the pattern of multi mode. You can see the pattern of multi mode, so you can see, and the water is going far enough. Water is going far enough, and you can easily change the coverage based on these angles. So right now I don't want to spread it everywhere, let me, I put it the coverage little small so that it doesn't go all the way, and you can see the water is going far enough, like around 5, 10, 15, around 25 feet. It's actually going more than that, around uh, 35 to 40 feet in one direction. So this is good enough, and you can change the coverage area also. Let's say you make the angles down, you make the angle down so it cannot go too far. That's how you can choose your limit. So you can choose the limit by changing the direction. Now let me show you different, modes. Now let me show you other pattern. Let's say large. I select large and let me turn on the water. And friends, you can see the length of the water, and you can control the length of the water using this one. Let's say you make it angle higher, so the length will go down. If you make it too high, again if you change the length to very small, again the length will go down. So you can use this length and you can choose your coverage area. You can see, you can choose your coverage area using this length by changing this length, which is really good. By changing this length, you can choose your coverage area. So this is one more. Now let's choose mist, and you can see the mist. Mist is really mist, friends. If you need to use mist, you can use the mist. If you are giving water to your in plants or anywhere, then you can use the mist, so it will be very limited. Then fan. Let's turn on the fan, and you can see the fan pattern. Fan pattern is very good when you are giving water to your lawn. I think this is a very good pattern, friends. And again, you can change the length or length using this, plus using this too. You can change the coverage area. Next is flat. Let's choose flat. So you can see the flat. Flat is also good for your lawn. Looks like you can see the flat pattern, how the water is going. You can see the flat pattern. So this is flat. Flat is actually horizontal, and fan is actually vertical. Like you can see the fan pattern. Fan is actually vertical. So let's try other. Now let's go to multi. Again, multi is giving very good coverage, friend. You can see how far it is going. Actually, it is going far enough. I'm not sure in camera how far you can see. It is giving good coverage with multi. It is giving good coverage. So this is good. So I like it, friend. You can use it in for different purpose, or based on your need. You can use it for multiple purpose, different purpose, which is really good. I really liked it. And this is multi pattern. So this is the multi pattern. So I'm liking it, friends. I think this will be very useful for me, for my, it will serve my purpose. And this video is mainly to show you all different types so that you will get idea about this, and you can make your own decision whether you need it or not, whether it will solve your purpose or not. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.